In this demo, I'll be showing you how to use the enum keyword to create enumerations in your code. So I'm going to be creating an enum that is used to go either left or right. So to create an enum, use the enum keyword. Notice that it's outside of the main function. So we have a main function, and we have our enum here. So you're going to create this outside of your main function. I'm going to call this direction, and we're going to have either left or right. Then to use this, we create a variable. I'll call this go. So which direction we should go. To assign the variant that I want to assign, we type in the name of the enumeration and the variant. So I'm going to go left. Next, I'm going to perform some action based on the direction. So we'll use the match keyword on the go variable. So remember, right now we're checking all possibilities of the go variable, which is a direction. So we need to check for the direction that goes left and the direction that goes right. To do that in a match, we just simply type in the name of the enumeration, which is direction, and we start with left. And I'm just going to print line, and I'm going to say go left. And then we do the same thing for the next line. So we need to cover the right variant, and I'll print out go right. So now we've covered all possibilities of directions. We have two directions. We can either go left or right. Every possibility has been considered in this case. We have left and we have right. So if we execute this program, we can see that go has been assigned to the left direction. So when we check our match statement on the go variable, we'll see that left will get executed. So go left should be printed. So let's execute it and see what happens. So as we can see, the output states go left. I also want to demonstrate what happens if you make a change to your enumeration, but don't change the match expression that it's used with. So if we add another direction, let's say up to our enumeration, and then attempt to run the program, we should get an error. As we can see, we get an error and some instructions. Non-exhaustive patterns, up is not covered. So it tells you right here that we did not cover up in our match, up not covered in this specific match statement on line 9. Additionally, the compiler gives you some help. It says ensure that all possible cases are being handled, possibly by adding wildcards or more match arms. And so in order to fix that, we simply go to line 9 as indicated. And then we add the direction for up. So we'll add direction up, print line, go up. And now the program should compile and run. And here we have go left, just as we had previously, because we assigned the direction left to go. If we assign up to the variable, then we should have go up printed. So if we rerun it, we'll see that the output states go up. This concludes the demo on enumerations. I'll see you in the next presentation.